guys, Miss Charlie here with part 2 of my singles collection. We're going to do Colourpop. I'm going to do what's in this basket, which are Super Shocks, some Jelly Much, some pigments, and some liners that I forgot. I think I forgot to talk about these, but these are their cream gel liners. So we're going to talk about those. And then I have a bunch of, I'm just going to start what's in this case here. This is an old Coastal Scents Z palette. I love these because they're clear and you can see what's in them. Of course, you can't get these anymore, or at least from Coastal Scents, because they are no longer a brand. But you can find Z palettes with the clear lids. These were very inexpensive. I think they were like less than $5. I think I got, because they always had sales, and I have 2 of these. This one has my Colourpop singles in it. I am going to show swatches of each one of these. Quite a few of these are going to be decluttered because some of them are very dry. The swatches, they look so identical. Some of the colors they look so identical, so that's the way it's going to look on the lid. I'm like, I don't need a bunch of the same. A lot of these colors I do not use anymore because I have other palettes or singles that are better quality, better impact. The shimmers in here, some of them are really nice. I'm going to keep a couple of those. These mattes up here I use quite a bit. I've even traveled with them for like transition and things like that. But most of these are going to go. So I'm going to have to declutter them because I've had these almost since Colourpop came out. And we know how long ago that was. Well, some of us do. So I've had these for a very long time, and I don't get a lot of use out of most of these. So it will be a declutter, and I will show, you know, what I decluttered. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches of all of these right now. Powder singles. I'm going to show swatches of each. I'm going to do it kind of like I did before. I'm going to just do swatches, but I'm just going to show you what's in here and what's in here. Next, we're going to get into what's in this container. We're going to take this out. These are Norvina water activated liners, so we're not going to talk about those, but this is really cute. I ordered this and they sent me 2 of them in error, and I gave one to my best friend, but I've used these. These are nice water activated liners, and I just keep them in this box for extra because I don't have anywhere to put them. But I'm going to talk about first these pigments here. These were from, moving everything around. These are from the Kathleen Lights collection from many, many years ago. There were 12, I believe, for each Zodiac. This was the Zodiac collection, and these are the ones that I bought, and I will put swatches of them here. I'm going to start with the color, let me see, Scorpion. I have these in order. The Scorpion, which is like a mauve burgundy color. These are very finely milled, very fine. You can blow on them and they'll just go everywhere, but they are very pigmented. Go on great with the glitter glue or a mixing medium, but that one is in the Scorpion. Next one is the Fish. This is the Fish, which is a beautiful, it's almost a duochrome, kind of a yellow teal, a green teal. I see green, you see more teal. And they do have a stopper, which I am glad that they have, but they look pillowy and very soft and fluffy, which they are, and they go everywhere. They should have put these in like a container half the size of these, because you're never going to use all of this. I've even given some of these away, and I still have plenty of these. But that was the Fish. And next I have the Fish, and it's like a baby blue. Very pretty. I need to bring these out and use them because they are very pigmented and gorgeous. Then we have the Ram. Oh no, we have the Water, sorry. I have them written down in order that I did the swatches. The Water Bearer, which is just a beautiful blue with a little bit of teal in it. I spilled some out. I don't want to get it everywhere. There we go. And then the last one is the Ram. It's a peachy gold. It's got a gold reflect. So pretty. It's like an orange, peach, gold. So stunning. But those were the pigments from Colourpop from the Kathleen Lights Zodiac collection. Next I have the cream gel liners. They have quite a few of these, and most of these also come in the actual liner, you know, the twist up liner. I did have some of those. I got rid of them because I wasn't really using them and they dried out a bit, but I'm not going to swatch these because they're just liners. This one is in Prance, and we know this is one of their, you know, twist up liners, and it's just a beautiful baby blue. And I just add some mixing medium to these because they are a little dry, and you can bring them back with mixing medium and just use them as liners. This one is in Punch. Just a gorgeous yellow. You can see I've used that quite a bit. This one is in Puppy, which is like an apricot orange. It's not really an orange. It's got some apricot in it. It looks bright on camera, but it's more of a dark apricot orange. Then we have Venus, which is a beautiful red. You can see the ones that I've used the most. And we have Teaspoon, which is a blue-green. Beautiful. And then lastly, we have Piggy Bank, just a purple. So those were my cream gel liners. Again, I don't think I included these in my liner video, but those are the ones I have from Colourpop. So now we're getting into the Jelly Much. I have two from Star Wars collection in Astromech and Protocol, and then I have these other ones, and then this one from the Villains, Disney Villains. This one is in Gesture of Voice, which is the Ursula one. So I'm going to open these and show them to you and put swatches over here to the side. This one is Into Focus. Most of these are like a duochrome, some of them are multi-chrome. These are water activated, so if you have the Jelly Much and they dry out, just add a little water and they come right back. And that is Into Focus. This one is called No Rest for the Vivid. It's a beautiful pink duochrome with blue in it. This one is called Hallucinogenous. I will put it up here. Hallucinogenous. And this is like a purple blue, really pretty. Have this gold, which is called Foxes. It's a really nice bright gold. I've used this as a liner so many times. This one is the Villains one, Gesture Voice. This is a multi-chrome. It's absolutely gorgeous. Purple, blue, teal. And this one from the Star Wars. This one is Protocol. Beautiful white gold. And lastly, we have the one in Astromech. This one is something like the this one right here. But it's a little bit lighter, But those are the ones that I have for Jelly Much shadows. And lastly, we're going to go into these Super Shock shadows. I've decluttered a lot. I used to have way more than this. I might declutter a few of these too, because some of them are getting kind of dry. But we're going to go through what I have currently. I have, the first one is Cnutbutrbeauty, and I do write the names on the side because I store them on the side, so it's easier to find them instead of picking them up and figuring out the name. But this one is Cnutbutrbeauty, and I think there's a little bit of pan right there in the center. Used to use this all the time as a one shadow look. Let Me Pass. Boy Band. Lala. Sidekick. Telepathy. Weenie. Liberty. Issa. Coconut. Banana Daiquiri, Flower Shop, Luckfully, Zoom Ship, Drift, Muse, XO, Porter, and lastly we have Frog. I love this as a topper. I've used this so many times as a topper. It's so pretty. Okay, so those are my Super Shock shadows, and I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff back into the container. Okay, so there we go. So that was my Colourpop singles collection with the powders and the what do you call it, creams, and then these liners that I have forgotten to talk about, I think. So put everything back. Again, most of these will be decluttered, some of these will be decluttered, and I will show you here at the end what I did declutter. But I thank you all for being here. Thanks for hanging out. There will be more of these singles videos coming soon because I have a lot of singles in my collection. Make sure to hop onto the Singles Cruise collab on my Instagram. We are going to Greece. Pick one of those 3 pictures, do a look, pull out your singles and do a look, and we will post on July 25th. Again, I appreciate you all. Thank you so very much for being here. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me here on YouTube and on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next video.